It was a great way to meet some people that have been in the industry a long time, had a lot of experience, a lot of information to offer, and to really match up with what they want, what they're looking for, what they really have to have in a supplier, and what we can provide, and maybe see some of the things that we need to add to our business to make sure we can provide more value.
You know, the biggest value for me was having people in responsible positions from several of our customers and being able to understand what the issues are that they're facing, how they're trying to solve those issues. A lot of discussion around workforce. We're all struggling with being able to hire enough people to be able to come back out of the pandemic. And so a lot of good ideas shared from different people in terms of different companies and how they're approaching that I took it. So it was just a good networking event with that small group where you could, you know, be able to have some of those conversations that you wouldn't have in a more formal setting.
It's not like going to a normal conference. It's really just like going to hang out with some friends. So it's a good event.